Assalamualaikum. I hope so that you all are fine. In today's video again welcome you to my YouTube channel Study Waves with Umar. As you know that in previous video we have discussed the definition of matter waves. In today's video we will discuss that what is meant by transverse waves. First of all let me write it here. What is meant by transverse waves? The simple answer to it is that when the particles of the medium are displaced perpendicularly means at 90 degree to the medium, the waves so produced are known as transverse waves. Transverse waves have the ability that they are only produced when the particles of the medium are displaced perpendicularly, only at the angle of 90 degree. Only if the angle is 90 degree, only if the displacement angle is 90 degree, then the waves so produced are known as transfer waves. Otherwise all the other waves will not be called as transfer waves. First I will draw here a simple example of transfer waves. For example, this is a helical spring in which the transfer waves are produced. Transfer waves will be produced in this manner, 90 degree to the medium, and this is the medium. They will produce 90 degree to the medium. Now the other example is transfer waves can travel only in solids. Transfer waves can travel only in solids. They cannot travel in liquid, or they cannot travel in gas, or they cannot be polarized. They cannot be polarized. The other some features of transfer waves are that it can travel in solids, it can be polarized, and many other features. These distinctive features of transfer waves make it a very unique property. Some examples of transfer waves are water waves that are produced at the surface of water. As it is very clear from the that when the water waves are traveling, they are traveling in this form. They are always in this form, and this waveform or this wave formation is only and only for transfer waves. Hope so in this video I am able to explain that what are transfer waves and how can we identify the transfer waves and what are common properties of transfer waves. If you like the video, kindly subscribe our channel. Thank you.